Lightning Ridge has come up with an interesting way to explore the area of Lightning Ridge and the various mining areas and to learn more about the history of the place. It's the Car Door Explorer Tours, and there are a number of these. The first one we're going to look at is the yellow car door.
Here's number one, the big opal on Car Door Tour.
In a uniquely Australian way, the tours are designated by old car doors that have been painted a particular colour. Each one is numbered, and you can follow maps that you can get from the information centre and go to all the points on the map just by following the painted car doors. Remember to like and subscribe so you stay up to date with all my latest videos. Each car door has a number painted on it which designates a particular feature of that area.
This is called the 3 Mile Opal Fields.
The yellow car door tour starts on 3 Mile Road just near the information centre. This drive-through is to show you the road itself without going into any of the features on the side of the road, which are actually quite interesting, but I don't want to spoil them for you. So it's just to give you an idea of the road conditions, etc. These tours can get quite popular, and as you can see, I'm stuck in this terrible traffic jam. Doesn't matter where you go these days. Peak hour.
Everywhere you go, you see piles of rubble.
Doing a drive-through like this doesn't take terribly long, but if you stop at each of the doors and have a look at what the feature is in that area, you could extend the tour out to about 45 minutes, perhaps even more. There are some tourist attractions along the way which you can stop at, and there are mines that you can go into which are paid attractions.
The road's very corrugated, as you can probably tell.
If you actually want to go looking for opals so that you can fossick or noodle or doing what's also called specking, it's best to go to the information centre to find out where it's okay to do that. There are a lot of designated mines that are private property, and you could get into trouble if you jumped out of your car and just started specking or looking for opal in those areas. At this turn, we are heading towards the chambers of the Black Hand mine, which has hundreds of carvings that have been done by the miner underground. When I was here, they were well on their way with the excavation for the Australian Opal Centre's new museum space, which is a self-sustaining 2-storey in-the-ground building which has been designed by famous Australian architects Glenn Murcutt and his wife Wendy Lewin. The current museum on the main street of Lightning Ridge has about 2% of the overall collection. Lightning Ridge is the only place in the world where opalized fossils of dinosaur bones have been discovered.
Some of the houses here are fantastic, the way they've been built. And wonder if they're built of the local area. Heading down to Lunatic Lookout. So apparently this is going to be finished by the end of the year, but by the look of it, there's a bit more work required. Quite remarkable. So the spark is 6:30 Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday nights. Easter to September. This area to my left is called Nettot, which is the second oldest mining area. So there are lots of things that you're not seeing as I do this, but I don't want to steal the fun by showing you everything. So this is like a drive-through to show you that it's quite possible. At least in dry weather, it's manageable in a two-wheel drive vehicle. Even though you really want to take your time. I don't think you'd want to do it if it was wet. It's quite amazing just how flat it is out here. There's a huge open cut area behind that fence. Goes down pretty deep. As you travel around Lightning Ridge, you will see lots of warning signs because there can be just holes in the ground, and you certainly wouldn't want to be wandering around at night unless you were very careful in some places. Quite a few vehicle graveyards around Lightning Ridge, that's for sure.
Thanks for watching the Lightning Ridge Yellow Car Door Explorer Tour. See you next time on the road again.